all the countrymen of the country are being informed that next Baisakh Kunami is the birthday of the great man, all Chiki script creator Pandit Raghunath Murmu. As you know, there is an outbreak of COVID-19 in the country at present. Therefore, on that day, all the people of the country were requested to celebrate the birthday in their own homes, in villages, in the clubs, in the educational institution by keeping a social distance. Note, not more than 4 people at most. Thanks.